So you need to find out where is the battery, disconnect the cable where it is there. So you need to take the positive side of the battery off. You need a spanner, a 10 millimeter spanner, and that's what you need to do, is just take it off before you go and do any work, just to make sure when you put it back in, there is the computer in the car was not going to read any fault on the airbag. You disconnect it, cover it up, just to make sure it's there, tuck it in, and that's you. Shut your bonnet again, and then just carry on with the work in there. And then you need to find out the cables and here is going to show you. You need to disconnect the cables. You need to take this off, and then this one comes off, and this is the tools you need to get them out easily without breaking them. And here you just remove up the carpet, and here you'll find here is the cables. Okay, so it's simple. What you just need to do is just take them one at a time. And you're out. And there's another clip at the back, so you need to slowly remove that out without breaking it, because you need to put it back when you're finished. Really handy tools. And now the seat is ready to come out. And I'll show you another easy way for taking the seat out of the car. So first you make sure the seat, everything is lowered down, just in case you don't want to hit the steering wheel. Hold the seat down. And then put your hand in between the seat, the backrest and the base, lift it up, and make sure you're not hitting anything. Get the seat out slowly, don't hit the door cards. Nice and easy. Here is the seat.